Hi! Let's learn some of the most common British phrases and slang words.
Just a quick note, the United Kingdom is made up of different countries, cities, accents, dialects. I could make a whole video about all the different types of accents and slang words and phrases. For this video, we are just focusing on phrases and slang words that are found in multiple areas of the United Kingdom and are the most common. Okay, let's go.
Let's start with the most common British greeting. All right? Yeah, all right. The word all right. We use it as a question when we see someone. Maybe we're just passing them in the street. All right. Instead of hello. It's a way to start a conversation. It's a way to greet somebody. All right. And we usually reply with something like, yeah, I'm all right, thanks, you. Or even, yeah, all right, throwing the question back to them. So if you want to greet a British person, all you need is just, all right, easy peasy. Let's move on. Oh, that tea is rubbish. Who made that? Rubbish is a very common British slang word that means bad, poor quality, not good, doesn't taste very good. That was rubbish. Have you heard her sing? She's rubbish. Another very common word that British people use is knackered. Oh, I am knackered. And it means very, very tired or exhausted. But it can also mean worn out. So you can say, oh, my car is knackered. My car is knackered. It's old. It doesn't work anymore. I have lots of problems with it. It's knackered. I need a new one. So you can use it for objects, not just people. You can use it for cars and machines if they are worn out and they need replacing or fixing. Next up, I use this one all the time, gutted. I am gutted. She was gutted. It means very, very disappointed. If you were expecting something to happen and it didn't, oh, I'm gutted. I'm really upset about that. I'm really disappointed. Oh no. I couldn't get the concert tickets I really wanted. I'm gutted. Next up, we have brew, and it simply means a cup of tea. So if someone says to you, fancy a brew? It means, do you want a cup of tea? A brew is always an English breakfast tea. If someone offers you a brew, they don't mean a green tea, they don't mean a chamomile tea, they mean an English breakfast tea with milk, the British way of having a cup of tea. Next, we have probably the most common way to say thank you in Britain, cheers. Cheers. It just means thank you, and it's a nice casual way of saying thank you. I wouldn't say it in a job interview or to the Queen because it's a little bit informal, but to most people I will say cheers instead of thank you. I'm a bit worried sitting on this chair. It feels like it's going to break. It feels a little bit dodgy. Dodgy means unreliable or a bit suspicious. So we can use it for people. Don't talk to him. He looks a little bit dodgy. He looks a bit suspicious, like he could be a criminal or a weirdo, bit dodgy. We can use it for items of furniture. If it looks like they won't support you, oh, that chair's dodgy. It looks unreliable. I don't trust that chair. So basically, dodgy is for things or people that you don't trust. Okay, so next I'm going to teach you two kind of swear words. So if you have children watching and you don't want them to learn a British swear word, it's not bad, it's not awful, but if you don't want your children to watch, then stop the video now. Okay, so next up we have can't be arsed. I can't be arsed. And obviously arse is kind of a swear word, but very, very mild. It's not so offensive. You can say it in lots of context. You just couldn't say it in a children's TV show. You know, it's that kind of level. So if someone says, I can't be arsed, it means I can't be bothered. I don't have the energy to do that. I don't want to do that. It seems like a task. I just don't have the energy for, oh, I've got to do my laundry. I can't be asked. Oh, I don't want to do it. Next, we have this very versatile word. We can use it in lots of different ways. Again, it's considered to be a little bit of a swear word, so you wouldn't use it in front of children, but you can use it in most context. It's not that offensive, but it's a mild swear word. So let's start off with the word piss. So a piss is a wee. If you go to the toilet and liquid comes out, it's a piss. So you might hear a lot of British people saying, I'm going for a piss. It's not very polite to say this. If you're at the dinner table and you say, I'm going for a piss, it's not the most polite thing. It's better to say, I'm just going to go to the loo, or I'm just going to go to the toilet even. But some people might say, I'm going to go for a piss. That's kind of the lowest level of how we can say where we're going. So you might hear that. You might also hear to take the piss. To take the piss. To take the piss means to mock or make fun of someone or be joking around with someone. So we can use it like, he's taking the piss out of me. He is mocking me. He said that I'm ugly. He's taking the piss out of me. He is insulting me and mocking me. My friend told me he was moving to Spain, but he was just taking the piss. It's a bit like pulling my leg, like he's just joking. What do you mean you're moving to Spain? Are you taking the piss? Are you joking? Are you joking with me? Now, this is where our use of piss is very different to the American use of piss. So in the USA, if they say I'm pissed, I am pissed, it means they are angry. If a British person says I'm pissed, it means they are drunk. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. In British English, if you want to say you are angry, you say you are pissed off. That's the key. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed. That's the difference. Next, we have naff. What a great word, naff. It means a bit rubbish, poor quality, not very good, cheap looking, not nice. I went to the theatre to see this new play and it was a bit naff. It was just a bit meh, wasn't very good, poor quality, bit naff. Next up, I'm sure you know this one, quid. It means pound in British currency. £1, 1 quid. But we normally say it like this. Have you got 10 quid I can borrow? Can I borrow a quid? It's super common, but make sure you never put an S on the end. So we don't say it's 50 quids. We say it's 50 quid. Still thinking about money, we have a fiver and a tenner. So instead of saying £5 or 5 quid, sometimes people might say a fiver. And that refers to the note, a fiver, or a tenner is the note of £10. Oh, I've got a fiver in my pocket. Do you want to buy something? I just found a tenner in my bag. How exciting is that? Next, we have faff, not to be confused with naff. It's a different thing. So a faff is a task that requires a lot of unnecessary effort. It's a really difficult thing to do because there's lots of things involved. It requires a lot of effort and time, and you don't want to be doing that task. It's just annoying. Oh, that is such a faff. I just spilled my tea all down me. I'm supposed to be an elegant English teacher, and I can't even drink tea without spilling it. Am I a child? Am I 5 years old? Maybe I am. Next, we have the loo, which is the toilet. So if you want to be nice and polite, you can say, I'm just going to nip to the loo. That's a very common phrase. I'm just going to nip to the loo. Or I'm just going to pop to the loo. That's very, very British. I'm going to pop to the loo, or I'm going to nip to the loo means I'm going to go use the toilet, or I'm going to go use the bathroom. Just going to pop to the loo. I love this next one. I don't know why. Bits and bobs. Oh, I love that one. Bits and bobs. It just means a collection of various little things that don't necessarily have any category or order, just a few little things. So just going to go to the shop to get some bits and bobs. Now these next two phrases are super common, but I never see them on any lists of common British phrases, but I hear them all the time in Britain. First up, we have I'm not being funny, and it's normally followed by but. I'm not being funny, but. And we usually start a sentence like this if we're going to say something a bit controversial, or you're going to really say your opinion on something. You're saying, look, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. This is seriously what I mean. And maybe your opinion is a little bit, controversial or a bit offensive maybe, or something that no one has mentioned yet. It's a bit of a bold opinion. I'm not being funny, but I don't think she should come to the party. I'm not being funny, but his presentation was terrible. And another phrase I hear all the time and I use all the time is this one. You what? And you would use you what if someone has said something that you truly can't believe. Usually they've said something that has insulted you and you can't believe that they have just insulted you that much. So you use it when someone has said something to you so shocking or insulting. Next, I love this one, numpty, an idiot or a stupid person. You numpty, what are you doing? It's kind of an affectionate term almost. I would only use it with my friends or people I really like. If I truly hate someone, I wouldn't call them a numpty because that's too silly and fun and childish. I would call them something stronger. But if my friend does something a bit silly or a bit stupid, I'll say, you numpty, what are you doing? British people also say skint a lot. I am skint. He is skint. It's the British version of broke. No money. You have no money. I would love to go, but I'm skint. I can't afford it, sorry. Next up, we have fuming. Fuming. It means really, really angry. Oh, I was fuming. When he told me that, I was fuming. And normally people don't put the G on the end. They just say, oh, I was fuming. 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 Next, we have cracking. Again, normally without the G, cracking. Cracking. Cracking means fantastic, brilliant, amazing. That is a cracking pie. You've made a really nice pie. Oh, we had a cracking time. We had a brilliant time. We had a great time. And finally, we have tar, which is another way of saying thank you. Tar. I think it's a bit more of a northern thing. I'm not sure, but I hear it quite a lot. So if you want to informally say thank you for something quite small, maybe someone gives you your change in the shop. Tar. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe. If you'd like to become a member and receive videos 4 days early and get PDFs for every video and get 2 live streams every month, click the join button and head to smashingenglish.com for all our amazing English courses. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!